Good morning kids. I'm your teacher Suman ma'am. Okay, today here I'm again to describe a beautiful picture. This picture is from your book Picture Dictionary. So you first take out your book Picture Dictionary and open the page number 1313 and 1414. Air transport. Here we learn about air transport. Okay kids, I'm here again to describe this picture for you that you know about new vocabularies. I hope that you use English vocabularies in your daily life and talk in English with your parents and family. Yes, do practice at your home again and again. Here, this picture is for you and I'm here. Okay, now we start. Okay, now first you tell me that how many things, how many vehicles you see here? Yes, tell me the name. Okay, now tell, what is this? Yes, it's a helicopter. Yes, very good. Here is one. Yes, it's a big balloon na? Yes. Okay, now give the name of this. Yes, hot air balloon. BALLON, balloon. Okay, now I know that you learn about it. You know about it actually. Yes, I know. Okay, now tell me the name. Yes, very good students. Here is one aeroplane. And you see this. Here is one rocket also. Okay, what do you think then why these vehicles are coming here together? Why? Just tell me. Yes, because here we learn about air transport. Here we learn about air transport because those fly in the sky. They fly in the air. Yes. Okay, first you come here. Okay, you see this picture. Yes, here is one girl. If you can see, yes, she thinking someone. She thought something. Okay, and I think she thought that she flies helicopter. Yes, she sit in it now. Yes, she sit in it. Yes, and what is this? Yes, on the helicopter, what is this? Yes, here is one fan on helicopter. Why this fan is here? Yes, because this fan help us to fly this helicopter in the sky. Yes, this this fan makes this helicopter's weight is light and can fly helicopter in sky. Yes, and which color of this helicopter? Yes, very good. Yellow. It's in yellow color. Very good. And here is, yes, you can see there are legs of it. Yes. Yes. Helicopter's leg. Helicopter has two legs. Very good. It helps for it. Okay. Yes. It help for it. Why this legs is here? It helps helicopter to stop. Yes, for stop for landing. Yes. Now here another air transport. Yes, and it look like a big balloon. Yes, it look like a big balloon. Now please you tell me the color of this balloon. Yes, which color of this? Yes, blue. Very good. And this one, yellow. And this one is orange. Here again they repeat blue, yellow, orange. Okay. Now she stand in it. You see this? Yes. Big balloon help us to fly in the sky. When we want to fly, balloon help us to fly in the sky. Okay, and balloon carry us in the sky. balloon has a fire in it. You can see here one fire. The fire makes his weight very light. This balloon's weight very light. And here is one basket for stand someone in it. Okay. The balloon help us to carry in the sky. Okay. But air balloon not fly when rain is heavy. Okay. It help us when wind is slow. Air is slow. The sky is clear. Okay, students. Yes. Now you can see here is one aeroplane. Yes. AEROPLANE, aeroplane. Okay. And what they are? Yes. Tell me what they are. Yes. They are windows. They all are windows. Yes. Now you tell me, is helicopter have wings? Yes. Helicopter have two wings and one tail. Two wings. Yes. Helicopters carry many of passengers in it and fly. Zoom. Yes. It fly in the sky. Zoom. And aeroplane has tires under of his body. Yes. That help us to take off. Okay. Aeroplane fly in the sky. Balloon fly in the sky. Helicopter is also fly in the sky. Now you tell me what's the difference of helicopter and aeroplane? Yes. Okay, I tell you. Aeroplane carry many of passengers, but helicopter can carry 1, 2, 3 and last 4. It's carry number of that we count like 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, not much more. Okay, aeroplane has many of passengers carry in his body. Okay, now it's a one sky scene. Yes, if you can see, here is one moon and here some stars. Yes, let's we count how many are stars. How many stars are here? Let's we count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. How many stars are there? 15 stars. Yes. And if you can see here, one another air transport is here. Yes. Now you tell me what's the name of it? Yes. It's a rocket. It's a rocket. 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 Yes, I am a rocket. I am a rocket. I am thin and tall. It's my nose and tail. Yes, and what we use? Rocket. Yes, we use rocket for searching something in space, around our earth, around moon, on the moon. Okay, what's happening in the space? So we use rocket. They are rocket craft. Okay, students. Now you learned about this air transport. Yes, very good. This vocabularies you use in your daily life. Keep practice at your home. Bye bye, kids.